Ready? My name is Jelko, and I'm one of the members of business development team. Right now, by the drone cage, flying a couple of drones. The next generation of very nicely controlled, easy to control drones. So right now we're flying the little Spark by DJI. Could be used for selfies and things like that, but also for certain things like checking roofs of your house, checking roofs of your college, safety, security, things like that. Yes. You have a 4K video, and then you also have a 20 megapixel camera. Also on a table I have an underwater drone. You can go underwater for about 250 feet. You can search for gold. You can do a research. You can also fish with this. Then we have a unique, right down inside the cage, unique hexagonal drone. They can. Okay, our website, B&H.com/B2B.